Hi friends, this is Press, and of course guys, na-miss ko kayo. So guys, wala lang, I just want to share lang kasi this time of the year, 'di ba, holiday. So baka nag-aay pa rin kayo ng mga toys na gusto nyong magkaroon this holiday season. So guys, meron lang ako si-share ng mga store na ang gaganda ng mga deals nila this holiday. So, baka kayo yung mga hindi nakaabot ng gun show last month na nag-aay ng mga dream toy nyo. So, magandang opportunity to grab, guys. So, yun lang. I will share you the list na may magagandang offer this holiday season. So, let's press check, guys. Hi, guys. Unahin ko na si Trust Trade. So, si Trust Trade nga pala guys, this December 9 to 11, meron silang gaganapin na event sa GG8, Santolan Road, West Crames, San Juan, which is the express release guys. Meron silang express release. Ibig sabihin guys, makukuha nyo yung unit nyo agad-agad. Hintay lang kayo ng within the day. So, meron din sila guys, and aside from that, meron din silang 20% off on their selected items and brands. Diba? Pero ma-avail nyo rin to sa ano guys, sa Robinson. Yung ano nila, yung 20%. Pero yung express release dun sa GG8 building nila. So maraming choices guys. Meron mga Glock, Taurus, Springfield, Kimber, Rossi, CAA, MCK, Magtech. Ang dami guys, ang dami yung choices dun guys. So kung hindi pa kayo kung may bala kayong kumuha or meron kayong inaay, guys, grab this opportunity guys kasi ang ganda ng offer nila guys. So, yun guys ang first on the list ko guys. Second on my list is PB Junicio guys. So, meron silang PBD year-end promo guys na nag-start na guys noong December 1 at mag-end on December 20. So guys, kung nag-aay naman kayo ng mga Colt, Beretta, Walter, Gearsan, guys, easy. So, okay na okay guys, si PB Junicio guys. Ang ganda ng offer nila. Meron silang year-end sale. So, better grab that opportunity also guys. Ganda rin ng offer nila doon. So, yung mga year-end ano nila, di ba meron silang mga item of the month, magko-consolidate yun ngayong buwan. So, kung yung February, hindi nyo nakuha yung item of the month na yun, so, makukuha nyo rin agad with the same discount. So guys, ayun, that's the second on my list. Guys, the third on my list is Armscore. So guys, meron silang Jolly year-end sale na mag-e-end ng December 31. So, maganda guys, maganda yung offer na because it's 50% off. So, pag nag-aay kayo ng Armscore, Rock Island Armory, Tanfolio, Keltec, FN, and marami pang iba, guys, grab that opportunity guys. Ang ganda ng offer din nila, 50% off. So, kung nag-aay kayo sa mga brand na yun, magandang pumunta dito guys. Yun guys, that is third on my list. And of course guys, the fourth on my list is Links FA guys. So, Links FA guys, continuous pa rin yung promo nila. And of course guys, ang Links FA lang ang meron layaway program guys. So, kung ako sa inyo guys, grab this opportunity guys to get your dream toy, di ba? Para lahat tayo happy this holiday season guys. So yun lang guys, yun lang yung list ko. Sana makatulong sa inyo guys. Guys, better grab this opportunity guys, di ba? Ang ganda ng opportunity natin, di ba? Lahat ng mga natin, yung mga promo, ang ganda. Take advantage natin to guys, di ba? Para sa atin to lahat. Yun lang guys. And of course guys, ingat tayo lagi. And of course, happy holiday. So guys, this is Press checking holiday deals this year.